Hello everyone. If you're looking to get certified in AWS, I'll direct you to the legit website. It is https://www.aws.training. Click on this link. You can find it in your browser. If you don't have an account already, you can go ahead and create. It's free of cost. You do not have to pay for this platform, and you have list of trainings available. You can view all cloud essentials training. You have machine learning trainings. You have all architecting trainings as well, and the duration is mentioned. The prices are mentioned. You can find a class, schedule your appointment. There are virtual classrooms live. You can also customize it as per your timing. From whichever corner of the world you are, you can schedule it. The duration is mentioned, so you can attend as per your convenient time. And once you are pro at any trainings which you have taken, then you can go ahead for the certifications. If you have any queries, please drop in the comment section. Go ahead and register an account today, sign up for an account today. Bye bye.